Hello friends, today I want to show you how to use Google Assistant in your Samsung Android any device. You can go to your settings, then tab on Google and then tab on setting for Google Apps. Then you can tab on search assistant and voice, and after that you can tab on general and then tab on Google Assistant, and then you can tab on here we go, where is it, and here you go, then tab on general, and as you can see my Google Assistant is already on. Let me turn it again. Okay, now you can start to use your voice assistant. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, so give big thumbs up. Thanks for watching.